Hey guys, we just finished cleaning our garlic, so I'm hauling it back to the house, getting it ready for long-term storage. We get to enjoy all this garlic during the winter. So we're just in the entryway of our home here, and the temperature and humidity stays pretty constant in here during the time that we're storing garlic. As you can see, we use repurposed strawberry boxes lined with newsprint to store our garlic in. Set them on a wire rack in here. This is last year's garlic, what's left of it. Still in pretty decent shape, but looking forward to using this fresh garlic. Let me show you the cleaning process and getting it ready to store. We're in zone 4 and we harvest our garlic usually the end of July. We lay them out on racks here in the turkey barn, what used to be the turkey barn, to dry. The drying process takes 3 to 4 weeks, and you want the stem to be completely dried down, and the roots in the stem are putting whatever energy they have left into that bulb. And so think of it as a curing time when the energy from that plant is all being stored in the bulb. So you'll get a higher quality bulb if you allow that dry time and that curing time to take place. The stems are cut 1 inch to 1.5 inches above the bulb, and then the stem is just discarded. We usually cut all the stems off first and then move to the actual cleaning process. Next step is to cut off the roots and remove any dirt that may be remaining on the skin. Try not to remove any more of the wrapper than you really need to, because that's the protective layer around the cloves, so it helps them in storage. We love to use the Fiskars Softgrip Garden Multi-Snip for our trimming work. I'll post a link to that down below. One thing to watch for is to make sure not to clip the roots too short so that you're cutting into that basal root at the bottom of each of the bulbs. If you plan to use your garlic for seed, this is where the roots will emerge. So trim carefully. And one more word of caution. When you're handling your garlic, just handle it gently, because it may not seem like it, but garlic will actually bruise quite easily, and then you'll have that clove that's affected. It'll start to break down in the bulb, and then it'll affect the neighboring cloves as well. Again, handle carefully. Once you've finished cleaning your garlic, you'll want to store it in a place where the temperature is moderate, so anywhere between 50 and 70 degrees would be ideal, and relative humidity somewhere between 50 and 70%. So not too hot, not too cold, not too humid, not too dry. You want to make sure not to dehydrate the bulbs either. So you need the humidity levels about the same level that are ideal living conditions. So I hope those tips help you. So thanks for joining me. We hope you're blessed with an abundance of garlic this year. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.